Good afternoon, traders. This is Shogun Chart 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So this week we have the pound and the pound US dollar, and I will be looking at the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen as well today. So yesterday we had a buy in the pound. The price made a higher high of 3 with structure 3. And so this is 0ABC1. The 2 came down to manipulate the B of the 1 wave. Then we have a 2 there, and this is 3, and this is currently 4. Okay, the trend is still up in the pound based on the wave structure. The move here from 0 to 1 is actually a B and C to form the wave 1 of the wave structure. Then this is the 2, that is the 3, and this is 4. This is a continuation move, like I said before. I don't know why that did not show the first one that I drew. Let's do it again. 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're expecting a higher high. So let's lock that in place. How do we deal with this situation? You can see there's a buy off here already. Maybe we see a little bit of pullback, as long as we don't start to break, because this is a momentum. This has already been broken. To be honest, you want the pound to stay above the 127.42. But in terms of target or area of target, we can draw from the low to the high of 3. We also can see that the price came into the buy zone here, and we're currently coming out of the buy zone, and this is a nice move. And we have the T1 here, which is the 128.49. We have the T2 129.02. So expectation is for price to make a new high, okay, above the 3, and we can assess how the price is behaving around the T1 and the T2. Okay, so that is the pound US dollar. The CAD yen, I was selling the CAD yen this morning. Okay, and this is actually a very, so the price broke even below the T2, and we have seen the price had a strong line. What we can see now is a potential retracement, which could be strong because this is a completed wave structure. Is you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and extended 5. If you look at this 5, it broke below the last trend changing pattern. Okay, so this move that is currently going to come into the CAD yen will be strong. All right, but they might not do that today. We may have a late session reversal. So I'm not going to call out any trade in the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen today, because we may have a prolonged consolidation before eventually breaking to the upside. But we need to see a pullback before a continuation of the trend. And if this pullback comes in tomorrow or even the Tokyo session, the reversal point is the 4 here, which is the, you can delete the Fibonacci now actually. The 4 here, which is the 114.82. That would be my preferred area. We also have this 2 structure that came below the change of character, that came above the change of character here. This actually might be the best area to short from. If they get there, we may have a nice move to the downside. But that is just an update on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. The sell this morning was a fantastic sell. I closed the trade somewhere there. Okay. And we were expecting a correction because the wave structure is complete. So the main trade today for me is the pound US dollar. We have the three, there's a high probability of a new higher high above the three, and we should see that happen. If the price starts to break below the 61.8, which is 127.33, then we can stand aside uh, and let the pound resolve itself. Okay, so that's basically what we are looking at for today, the 4th of June 2024. My name is Shegun Chat 247.